Let's check. Still clean. Clean oil. Clean oil. Vehicle was recently serviced, so this is what we expected. Nice and clean. So hi guys, we'll be using Ceratec. Put it in the vehicle there, just to see what it does. It's been described as doing magic stuff for your engine components, those that actually move against each other and rub against each other. So there's the bottle of Ceratec. Got this for $6.50 at Goldwagen. I'm not sure how much you guys get it for, but yeah, there's the Ceratec bottle, 300 ml. They say it lasts for up to 50,000 kilometers. So we shall see. Yep, so we'll put this whole bottle in. Since this car takes 7 liters, we'll put this whole bottle in and maybe half of the other bottle, and then I'm sure we can save the rest or use it somewhere else. Or whoever needs Ceratec, we might just give it to them so that they can drop those last bits in their vehicle. But yeah, this is what we have. We are gonna use Ceratec. Gonna just try and open this. There, it's open. To remove that. Then we are just gonna pour some of it in there, like that. There goes the Ceratec. So I'm not sure what it does, guys, that might make me realize that there's a change in the vehicle. I don't know. They say it has a lot of benefits to the engine. It refreshes the surfaces that are exposed to friction. So we shall see. And then it makes the vehicle run smoother. Fuel consumption is less. Just to show you guys that this vehicle, since they said it preserves engines with a lot of mileage, I'll also show you once we are done here the amount of mileage this engine has on it, so that you understand why I'm using Ceratec. Hopefully it works. Just drop all of that in there. We are not supposed to be wasting a thing. There's the other bottle. should we put in a bit more? Okay. But I think it's enough. It's fine. It should be enough. Just gonna close that up. You can see this is leaking there, hence the spray, and it seems like the cover there, this cover seems to be leaking as well. So that is leaking. Everything is just spraying all over this, so we might need to get that, because I think the seal, just to show you the seal there, okay, don't be worried by that, it's just the Ceratec, the seal moves about, so it might be a bit loose, so we'll see. Could that be the issue? You guys can also let me know. But yeah, this is a Ceratec video, and as I promised you, I want to show you the mileage that's on this vehicle so that you can see, and hopefully Ceratec works out fine. Let's see. That's the mileage. So those are the mileages on the vehicle. The vehicle is clean. VW Amarok by TDI. No lights, as you can see there. There are no warning lights. No warning lights, guys. No warning lights. Clean. So let's just run the Ceratec in the system, and then maybe we'll give a review of this after maybe, let's say, 6 months. So I don't think maybe I'll be posting this video. If I will, I'll post the video, and then it means you guys will have to wait, same as myself, will have to wait for the results probably after 6 months from today. We'll see, or 6 months from the day I post the video. So once I post the video, let's go 6 months and see if there was any difference. That's just Ceratec for you guys. I thought I should share it with you guys.